Southridge House in Federal Way, Washington was built in 1970, so it's not surprising that this 80-unit King County Housing Authority public housing complex for seniors and people with disabilities needed some major building envelope work. Because brick is porous, moisture had been able to migrate through to the building's inner core and cause corrosion. That's one reason a newly finished $2 million project, paid for with funds from the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act, or ARRA, was so important. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how the Housing Authority project not only expanded the building's lifespan, but also increased its energy efficiency and provided a boost to the local economy by generating living wage jobs.
As you can see behind me, the renovation of Southridge House gave the building a brand new look and feel. What you can't see is that it also is in much better shape to withstand the rain we're famous for here in the Northwest. To protect the mid-rise from additional corrosion, we sealed the exterior with a weather-resistant barrier, wrapped it with a rigid layer of insulation, and covered it with a hardy board fiber cement siding as part of the rain screen system. We also vastly improved the building's appearance. The new facade looks more cheerful, attractive, and modern than the utilitarian brick it overlaid. Plus, we installed energy-efficient windows.
I really like our bay window because it makes the room bigger. You know, with the wall shut, it made a lot of difference in that, and the light. It's more homey, I think. I just like everything they've done.
As part of this project, 6 units at Southridge House also are being converted to full uniform federal accessibility standards with modifications to the bathrooms, kitchens, and living areas for mobility impaired residents. Throughout the course of the project, more than 40 workers from a variety of trades were employed.
The name of the game here is putting people to work, to get them into well-paid jobs, to give them money to live on, to get that money circulating back into the community so that other people realize the benefits. And this truly becomes a win-win situation for everybody.
Everybody's in the same situation. There's, I would say, almost a depression really in construction currently. So any job anybody can get is a good thing, and is keeping people employed who would otherwise be drawing unemployment.
The Housing Authority's mission is quite simply to provide homes to those who need it, to provide safe, affordable, comfortable housing to families with children, to the elderly, to households with disabilities. And this is a terrific project because we can improve energy efficiency, we can cut costs, and we can make these buildings more safe for the people who live in them.
All told, KCHA received $23.5 million in ARRA funds, which have enabled the authority to swiftly and strategically tackle a backlog of deferred capital repairs and make energy efficiency improvements to its public housing. By the time KCHA completes all of its ARRA projects, the agency will have employed more than 800 workers and improved about 1,800 housing units.